So, good afternoon, everyone. Today, I am presenting a business model canvas analysis of Siemens, one of the world's leading technology companies. So, Siemens was founded in 1847 and has grown into a true global powerhouse. It is operating in over 200 countries and more than 3 million employees and an annual revenue exceeding of 75 billion euros. So, the company is organized into five major divisions today, that is digital industries, smart infrastructure, mobility, Siemens Energy, and Healthineers. So this diversity is exactly makes their business model interesting to analyze through a business model canvas framework. So let's begin.
Now we can talk about the BMC overview. For those less familiar, the business model canvas BMC is trade tool created by Alexander Orsweiler. It concerns an entire business model onto one page using 9 building blocks. Right side, market and customers. Side, value proportional, customer segments, channels, relationships, revenue. Left side, operations and infrastructure, key partners, key activities, key resource, cost structure. We will walk through the Siemens versions of the canvas side by side. Here is a Siemens business model canvas at a glance. One of the partner and operation side, we are very strong. Global technology alliances, massive supplies networks, 3 billion products, heavy and R&D, 65,000 plus patents, 47 manufacturing sites worldwide. Customer and revenue side, Siemens focus on B2B and B2G customers across multiple industries. Very strong value propositions around innovations, reliability, and customer customers and engineering. Revenue coming from product sales plus rapidly growing services contracts plus software
Key partnerships. Siemens built a very wide and strategic ecosystem of partners. Three main categories stand out. Technology alliance. Most visible is the long-standing cooperation with IBM around AI and IoT, powering enhancement of a MindSphere platform. Second one, global suppliers. Siemens spend roughly $35 billion annually with suppliers. 90% already meet high sustainability criteria. Government and research. Large public infrastructure contacts plus a long-term research cooperation with universities. These partnerships are central to Siemens' ability to innovate at scale. Key activities and resources. The engines of Siemens lies in the four core activities. R&D, $6.1 billion invested annually. Manufacturing, still very significant, $52.5 billion revenue from 47 global sites. Sales and marketing, large global force. Maintenance and service, already 16.8 billion and growing approximately 8% per year. Supporting resource include world leading 65,000 patents, a highly skilled 3 lakh workforce, very valuable brand. This combination of heavy R&D plus large scale manufacturing plus growing service business is characteristics of Siemens.
Value proportions. Why does the Siemens actually set all the customers are willing to pay premium special for the three main pillars? Innovation technology solution, the Mind Sphere IoT platform, digital twin technology solution that can reduce energy consumption up to 30%, reliable and highly efficient product. The gas turbines reaching the 63% efficiency, automation 63% automation system that power entire factories. customized engineering and product delivery, large turnkey products in the rail, healthcare, buildings, and energy infrastructures. The Siemens Cell performance, future proofing, and reduced risk. Customer segment and channels. The Siemens is clearly B2B and B2G company, the main customer groups. Digital industries, automation, electronic food and beverages manufacturing, smart infrastructure, utilities, real estate, developers, cities and state governors. Mobility, the rail operations and metro system airports, health nurse, hospital, diagnostics labs and research institutes. Geographically, they prioritize. Europe, Germany remain the largest single market. The American, especially USA, the strong in healthcare and software. Asia, the key growth engine for industrial automation. Emerging market, India, Southeast Asia, Middle East. More than 50% of revenue already come from the digital offerings with the double-digit growth ambition. Customer relations.
Customer relationship. Does not aim for millions of transactional customers. Instead, they build long duration, high trust relationship, multi-year services arguments, predictive maintenance and remote access monitoring, 24/7 technical support, dedicated customer success managers, and co-development projects on large infrastructure. This relationship model explains why service revenue is growing faster than pure product sales. Now coming to revenue and cost structure, revenue comes from four main streams. Product sales, which consist of automation system, medical devices, infrastructure components. Service contracts, which is already $16.8 billion and growing 8% per year. Software licenses and IP royalties. And last one is large customized engineering projects. So major cost blocks are R&D, which is consists of $6.7 billion, manufacturing and supply chain, which is $52.5 billion, and sales and marketing force cost of $2.3 billion. Employee training and development, which is $600 million annually. Very typical for a high-tech engineering heavy industrial company.
If we look at the big picture, Siemens is fundamentally an innovation plus scale plus service company. The central drivers, very high R&D spending, massive patent portfolio, global manufacturing footprint, a long-term customer partnership, fast-growing digital and service revenue. All of this focused on digitalization, sustainability, and electrification. The three mega trend Siemens is betting on for the next decade. To summarize Siemens operations,